Welcome, students. Welcome to my live class. Here today I am going to share ideas about different pair of angles. First of all, let's start with the adjacent angle. Okay, and here I am going to say about adjacent angle. What type of angles, look here, are called adjacent angle. I am going to show here, okay? And in this figure, this is AB line, right? And this is CD line segment, okay? And they're meeting each other at the point D. Okay, they're meeting each other at this point, and angles are formed here. Look, one angle is formed here on this right side, okay, and another angle is formed here on this left side, okay. These two angles are formed here, and for these two angles you can see here its name is, look here, angle ADC. We can put the name here like this, angle ADC. And another figure, look here, another angle one, its name is CDB, okay, angle CDB. Okay, we have, look here, vortex is, look here, for the vortex we need vortex there D for this angle, vortex D, and there are two arms AD and CD. One arm is given there AD, another arm is given there CD. Okay, now let's go for this angle CDB. Its vortex, look here, this vortex, its vortex is D, right? Vortex is D here. Okay, vortex is D, and its arm, one arm is CD, one arm is CD, and another arm is BD. This is B and D. Okay, this name is BD and this arm is CD. Look, while observing these two angles, look what we find here. Vortex is same, vortex is same, and look, one arm is the same. Here, look, CD arm, here is another, look, that's also CD. Okay, that means we have here common vortex and common arm. Okay, one arm is common here, and one more is thing there, these angles should form on the either side of this common arm. Okay, look, this angle is formed on the right side and this angle is formed on the left side. That means they should form on the either side of the common arm. Okay, such type of angles, look, and one angle is ADC, another angle is CDB. These two angles are, okay, these two angles are adjacent angle, okay. We can put their adjacent angle. This is the definition, okay, and introduction of adjacent angle. I hope you are clear about it. Now I am moving to the next pair of angles. Look there. Next pair of angle is like this here. Number two is complementary angles, okay. Right here, complementary angles. Complementary angles, okay. Complementary, okay. TARY. Complementary angles. COMPLEMEN TARY. Complementary angles. And for this definition, look here, I want to take the help of this figure. See here, draw this one line, okay, segment, and then after you can put here like this, okay, straight. Then you can put this little bit this side, then, and here point out. Okay, if you join this with this point, okay, here, okay, if you join, see here, like this, join it. Put it straight like this, and join here, okay. See, like this. First, here I want to take the help of ruler, okay, like this. Then let's join these 2 points which we had pointed here. Let's join this one, okay. Like this, we can put here one angle is A, this one A, B, C here this side, and A, B, D. When we add this angle, look here, we are dividing this angle into 2 parts. See here, like this, okay. We are dividing this angle into 2 parts like this. See, it was 90 right here, Now when we add this AB, and you can put there E, right? This angle is ABE, and this angle name is EBD. You can put there angle EBD, right? When we add this angle and this angle, they will give, okay, right angle, that means 90 degree. In such case, these two angles are known as complementary angles. Okay, when we add this angle ABE and EBD, we'll get their total sum. Their sum we will get 90 degree. Okay, such type of angles are known as complementary angles. Okay, now for the supplementary, see here, for third number I am talking about now. I am sharing ideas about supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary angles. And for this, look here, you can draw this one figure here, right? Horizontal line draw here like this, and then after let's draw here another line like this. See, like this. And here when we measure this angle, if this angle is 120 degree, right, and if this angle is another one angle is this given there 60 degree, right, and when you find out the sum, if the sum of this angle, suppose this is PQ line segment, this is RS, okay, then when we add this angle and this angle, if the sum comes 180, the sum is 180, okay, that means they are supplementary angles. Okay, or we can tell straight angle also or supplementary angle also. Angle, what is the name? PSB, okay, or you can write this R also, no problem, right? B also we can write here, this B also we can make it B, okay, mistakenly it was written here B, I was planning to write here R. Now when we find out angle here PSB, when you add this angle with BS, okay, this was Q, okay, angle is, there is BSQ, okay. When you find out the sum of these two angles, their sum we will get 180 degree. When you find the sum of these two angles, okay, their sum comes 180 degree. That means these two angles are supplementary to each other. Okay, 120 degree is the supplement of 60 degree, and 60 degree is the supplementary angle of 120 degree. Okay, because their sum is 180 degree. Okay, here I have said about adjacent angle, complementary angle, and supplementary angle. Now moving to the next one, see here, okay, there is another one, that is straight angle. Okay, there is a pair of angle, STRAIGST. okay, straight angles. Okay, what type of angles are known as straight angles? Look, I am going to show you here. Okay, about straight angle, I want to share here. In this straight angle, we need to know first of all, look there, okay, when we add, right, when we add two or more angles, if their sum comes 180 degree, they are said to be straight angle. Okay, look, I want to draw here one figure. Like this, we draw here one horizontal line, right? And if you draw here like this one angle, and similarly here also you can draw like this another angle, see. Okay, in this case, when we add the size of this angle, okay, then this angle, then this angle, okay, there are altogether three angles here, maybe more than three also, and we'll find out this sum. Look here, we can find it here. Take this one, put here, look, it's 70, right? This angle is 70 degree, and middle one, look there, how much looks it, and like this you have to put, and it is 90. Okay, middle one is 90 degree. Now, and this side one, look how much big angle is this, see. Okay, that means this one side one is not correct one, and it's look 24 and 25, it's 25. Okay, then we have to check it, this front one, look here, that is not 70, that is not 70. Okay, we should check it nicely now here, not exactly 71. Okay, and for this, it's about 65. Okay, not exactly 70, it's about 65. Okay, here this one angle, okay, this one angle is not 71 here, we measured and we found it here 65 degree. Okay, near about 65, and that's why I have taken it. Then when you find out the sum, okay, 70, 90, and this 90 and this one all okay, when you add this all angle, 65 plus 5, this 70, then 80, 90, 90 plus 90, it will be this. When you add this all angle, they will be 180 degree. Okay, right, like this we'll find out the sum of the angles formed in the straight line. Okay, here is the case of straight angle. And this is also another type of pair of angles. Okay, now I'm moving to the next one. This I want to clear, that is angles at a point. Angles at a point means what type of angles? Okay, see here, the topic is angles at a point. Okay, angles at a point, right here, at a point. And for this location, take here one point. Okay, take one point here. This point name we can give this O, right? And then through this point O, let's draw line segment. Okay, which passes to this point O. One line I draw, and now I am drawing here another line also, right? And then join it, right? There are so many angles are formed there, and when you find out the angle, this one and this one and this one, right? This one, this one and this one. Okay, how many angles are formed there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles are found, right? And when we add this all angle, it will provide one complete circle, right? That's why while adding this angle, suppose if this angle A, right, this angle B is small, then this angle C, this angle is small d, this angle is small e, this angle is f. Okay, while adding these angles, then we will get the value what? A plus B plus C plus, okay, then there is D angle, value of D angle, then therefore D, you have to write E plus F, right? And when we add this size of, okay, all this angle, we will get here 360 degree. Okay, why do you know? Look, they will, when they will be added, they will form one complete circle, right? You can see here one, and if you join, will they form complete circle or? Let's check. Look, and then like this. Okay, while adding this all the angles, we have to find 360 degree. Okay, that's why angles at a point is 360 degree. We have to see here. Okay, and then now I'm moving to the next one. This is the angles at a point. Okay, that is called complete circle also. One complete circle is made here. Okay, I want to clear this. And here in this topic, till now I have explained about adjacent angle, right? Vertically opposite angle, right? Complementary angles, supplementary angles, angles at a point, right? And one complete circle one also, 360 degree one also, that we should know. And from this question, what you have to do? Sometimes it is asked to find out complement of 60 degree. If it is asked to find complement of 60 degree, then we have to write a complement of 60 degree is what? Write like this here. Complementary angle of complementary, okay? Complementary angle. Right here, complementary angle of 60 degree. Then we have to write 90 degree minus 60 degree, okay? Write 90 degree minus 60 degree, then whatever value you will get, that will be 30 degree, right? This 30 degree is the complement of 60 degree, because when you add the 60 degree and 30 degree, we get 90 degree. Similarly, I will give there, suppose there is given 70 degree, and if it is asked to find out supplement, okay, then right here supplement, okay, right here supplementary, okay, supplementary angle of supplementary angle 70 right there equals to, then when you find supplementary, then we have to subtract that angle from 180 degree, right? 180 degree minus 70 degree, then our answer will be here 110 degree. Okay, like this we find the supplementary angles, right? This is the method to find out complementary angle and supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, okay. We subtract the given angles from 180 for the supplement, and for the complement we have to subtract it from 90 degrees, right? Like this we discuss about pair of angles in today's class. I hope it will be clear, right? Now let's say students look here. By observation also we can tell, right? This is one angle, and here in this angle the size will be how much? Less than 90 or not? Yeah, of course it will be less than 90, okay. Such type of angles are known as acute angle, okay, right? And by looking the line also we can tell if this is straight line like this only, and if it is asked the angle size, what will be this is straight angle, okay. By looking that only we can tell. And sometime there may be given like this also. See here, line is drawn like this, and after that there is given the angles more than 90, okay, like this given, and we have to identify it by looking its size, okay. You can identify that, okay. This is suppose M and O, okay. This will be of course more than 90 but less than 180. That means it is up to this one, okay. This up to this angle. Like this we can identify by looking the size also, and we can write the name also, right? Understood? Good. Okay, we'll discuss last year's also, okay. Past questions also we'll discuss here. And today this much only, and I will come in live next day by taking the question related to the pair of angles. Today this much only. Thank you very much. Keep watching my videos. If you have any difficulties, you can share in channel, that share your difficulties in chat box, okay.